Good morning, everybody. It is another beautiful sunny day here in Cape Town, and our spirit guides want us to know that we are on the right path regarding some aspects in our life. There's happiness and bright prospects in our lives at the moment. Our cups are being filled. These good things happening at the moment. We must open ourselves to receive these things. These new beginnings, which is going to bring even more happiness. We must pay attention to our finances, and archangels are saying, change your life. A sudden revelation is coming your way that's going to offer you freedom. Break free of procrastination, embrace opportunities that change bring. Believe in yourself. Where there was money problems, you walked away, and even though you didn't know what was up ahead, there are improvements, and you're understanding the delays around the improvements. This is some for some of us. It's got to do with our career. They want you to know you persevered and you will overcome the problems. You are spiritually loved and guided at this time. Trust the magic of the universe. Expect the unexpected. You deserve sugar, not salt. You've ended things in your life, a lot of things, people, situations, and there are new beginnings coming your way. The devil can has got no hold on you anymore. Don't go back to those things. Don't let other people pull you into things that you let go of. You are being watched over by your angels and spirit guides and your loved ones in the heavens. So nurture yourself and everyone and those you love around you. Be your own priority. You are stepping into a new experience, and this experience is going to be beautiful. Your loved ones say stand by your commitments, have balanced relationships, and become the true you. Have a lovely day, everybody. I know I'm going to by the pool once again. I love you all. Bye for now.